All right. All right. So I want to talk about how to add paragraph or character styles to a document. As I said, you need to start with this first document, the pages 1 through 7. You'll notice it has a different icon next to it. This just indicates this is the main one that distributes to all these other documents. And we'll talk about how to update from that. But to start with, so it works the same whether we need to modify a paragraph style or we need to add a character style or add paragraph, modify character, etc. So right now, if we notice the captions, I have white and black. You want yellow, green, and red. So to look at this, we can see all that's in here is just Chivo, bold, 9-point, and then the character color is just set at whatever color we want. And so I'm going to base the next one off of this one. I'm going to actually click the little 3 lines here. I'm going to do new character style, and I'm going to call it caption bold, and we'll do yellow to start with. And I'm going to go ahead. Really, the only change I need to make besides the name, I do need to put in font family again. Oops. Even though it's based off of it, I'm still going to make sure that everything's right. 9-point is great. And then I'm going to go to character color, and I'm going to select your yellow, making sure too that there's no stroke on this. We don't ever want a stroke on type. I'm going to go ahead and click OK. And mine wants to open my CC libraries, but you'll also notice it's added here. So I can repeat that process with the next 2. So we're going to do caption bold, green. I'm just going to, it should hold on to the Chivo from the other one, but I'm just a little OCD about making sure there's no chance of a problem. And then I'm going to choose your green. Again, making sure that there's no line. Go ahead and click OK. Last one here is going to be the red. Again, it does get repetitive when you're doing similar things over and over, but good practice to remind you of what needs to happen. So we're going to, none for this one and red for this one. I just don't want to leave a question mark. That can be problematic. I'm going to go ahead and click OK, and now I'll see all of these are in here. I'm going to save this file, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to select all of my files. Just going to select them all at once using Shift to select them all. And then I'm going to come here, and it says synchronize styles and swatches with the style source. I'm going to go ahead and click that. And it's going to take a second, and it's going to tell you it's synchronizing all of the book files basically to make sure everything gets updated with these new swatches. And once it's done, I'll open a file and I'll show you that they're in there too. But that's the benefit, I guess, if you want to call it that, of this, is that it's easy to make a change in one and pass it to all of them. So I'm just going to randomly pick one. We're in pages 32 to 37. We now see all of those styles are there. So number 1, that's how we update all of our pages. Number 2, that's how we can actually add a paragraph for our character style to your document. So hopefully that helps.